Hi, welcome back and thanks for stopping in to check this video out. Today I'm going to finish this Hotshot by cutting out the body, painting it and putting the decals on. It's going to be box art but with a little bit of a twist, so I'll bring you over to the workbench and show you what I've got planned. Alright, so step 43 is cutting the body out, and as you can see most of it goes in the bin, but that's going to come in useful later. So there's the hole there for the body pin, holes for the spotlights, and then you've got to open up some holes in the wing for a bracket there. So yeah, here's the body. Hard to see, but there's that hole that's got to come out. There's the hole for the lights. There's holes here at the back for the antenna, but I don't think I'm going to bother with those. And there's the wing. So those two holes there and those two there have got to be opened up. I've already painted the spotlights. I did them when I did the driver figure. So they got glued together and spray painted with matte black and then the gloss white. And yeah, to make it a little bit different, I'm going to go, and as you can see I've gone mad with paint like I always do. I'm going to go with pearl clear first to try and get a little bit of a metallic finish on the red, because I do love metallic. A couple of cans of red, and from past experience with the TS8 racing red, which is really translucent, I've got a feeling this will also be really translucent. You'll see through it. And I've seen other people back these paints up, and I've never done that. I've always just done like with the BBX blue and Hornet black, silver on the RC10 clear. So I'm gonna then back it up with the PS12 silver and then the black. Again, never done any of this before. We'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna use the offcuts from here as a test. So I'll do a bit of that first, the clear pearl, and then I'll put some red on and see what it looks like. And if I'm happy with that finish, then I'll do it on the main body. And again, once I've done that, I'll move on to backing it up again on the test pieces. So there's the body and wing ready for paint. I've just washed it and dried it. I used the score and snap method and scissors and a file. So all sorts of little tricks to get that done, especially getting into that tight edge there. It's come out okay. And there are the little files. You get a flat one, a round one, and a flat one with a curved edge. And here's our test piece with the pearl in, which I'm pretty happy with, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm not sure how it'll go trying to get it into the wing corners. I don't think you want to go too heavy with it, and that was just one coat, so. upgraded to a handle. Quick progress update while I'm waiting for the paint to dry. So still on the first can of PS2 red, and I've done 4 decent coats. You can just see the sparkle even with the protective film on, so it looks all right. Same on the wing. I'm not sure if I've got enough on the ends, but I'm not too worried. I didn't want to go too heavy with it, but I think it's okay. I've tried backing up the test piece with some silver, and that I actually did the first coat with PS2, a little bit of red because I didn't want to run out on the main parts, and then I backed it up with a thick coat of that, the TS8, and then a thick coat of TS17. And anyway, yeah, just shows that you can use your kind of leftovers to do your testing, but it seems to work as well. It's the next day and the paint's dry. I did end up using both cans of red. The first can, I got 5 light coats on, and it was just too transparent to even think about backing that up in silver or silver and black. So I got the second can going and got another 4 decent coats on there, and it's solid enough for me. I'm quite happy with that. I'm not going to worry about backing it up. So you can just see through it with a light behind it, but you're never going to do that. Right then, let's get this film off, see how it looks. Nearly got it in one go. I really like that. That's come out nice. I hope the wing is as good as that. I'll bring you over for a close-up in a minute. That pearl looks wicked. cool. Hopefully you can see that gorgeous pearl effect in there. I'm going to skip past step 45 and move straight on to 46, which is applying the decals, because those two screws that hold the wing onto B2 go straight through the main decal, and I also want to get those decals on the spotlights nice and straight. Well, there it is, my Tamiya Hotshot finished in box art PS2 red with a coat of pearl clear just to give it a nice sparkle. I really like it. I always say that, don't I? But I have done it, so I've got to. Let me know what you think. I do appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.